Welcome to Crypto News Daily. This is a channel that uploads daily on everything new about cryptocurrencies ranging from Bitcoin all the way to baby Doge. Stick around for the latest news. First headline from Coindesk.com. Ether outperforms Bitcoin as crypto sentiment improves. Cryptocurrencies were mostly higher on Wednesday as bullish sentiment improves. Bitcoin was trading around 34,000 at press time, but is still down about 1% over the past week. Ether, however, has outperforming Bitcoin and is up about 3% over the past week. Recently, Ethereum hit a 2-week high in anticipation of an upcoming upgrade called EIP 1559, potentially going live on August 4th, which will make Ethereum a scarce asset by reducing the circulation supply of Ethereum at every transaction. Goldman Sachs published a report on Tuesday stating that Ether's use cases currently possesses the highest potential, being the most popular development platform for smart contracts. Ether is attempting to break above the 50-day moving average for the first time since March. A confirmed breakout would yield further upside towards $2,800 resistance. Similar to Bitcoin, Ether is consolidating after a volatile sell-off in May. Bitcoin continues to trade choppy, and though we have seen an upward bias in the last few days, it would take some work for BTC to break above the 42,000 mark. Any weakness in the broader market or reduction in liquidity can cause sharp down moves in Bitcoin, and we continue to see this reflected in options data, as puts trade at a premium to calls for July and August expiry. Other analysts expect Bitcoin to level out as trading volumes continue to drop since the May sell-off. It expects speculation in the spot and the derivatives market to stabilize for the foreseeable future, which will transpire into lower price swings. Even though trading activity has been relatively quiet over the past month, institutional investors are busy accessing cryptocurrencies as an alternative to traditional assets. The second headline for today: Chinese bank employees told to entice 300 customers to use digital yuan. In mid-May, a report stemming from residents of Shenzhen, China, explained that the digital yuan wasn't seeing widespread participation, which the Chinese government has alluded to in many press conferences. Now, a handful of China's state-owned banks have asked staff to recruit 200 to 300 digital yuan users. The banks are also giving away small presents in order to tempt the customers into leveraging the central bank digital currency, CBDC, wallet. Similar to how banks try to sell services to customers like loans, savings accounts, and investment vehicles, Chinese state-owned banks are telling employees to sell benefits of digital yuan. The Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, alongside 5 other top financial institutions in the country, are tasking the employees with pushing the CBDC wallet on hundreds of branch customers. According to a rough translation of the announcement published on xinliankaijing.com, bank employees from each branch have been asked to produce 200 to 300 CBDC wallet users. On average, each person needs to promote 200 to 300 people, the statement says, and employees from each branch can get the year-end bonuses. Furthermore, employees can entice people with small presents like tissues, umbrellas, electronics, cables, card holders, and laundry detergent. The push to lure customers to the People's Bank of China's digital yuan follows a handful of state-owned banks in Shanghai being told to promote the CBDC over payment processors like WeChat and Alipay. The political mandate, Reuters reported back in May, was enforced by 6 state banks that were quietly promoting digital yuan ahead of the May 5 shopping festival. At that time, a few Chinese banking officials were not authorized to speak with the press but still spoke in anonymity. While the digital yuan wallet is still being tested in various forms, it's also integrated with apps owned by Didi, Bilibili, Meituan, and JD.com. However, there are no third-party connections between the digital yuan and the payment processors like Alipay and WeChat Pay. And that's it for today's headlines. Make sure to subscribe and come back to the channel for more daily news. Thank you.